Discord. I'm so excited to finally see where you live.
Greetings, friend. Please do come in.
I can't wait to see how... oh.
Is something amiss?
No, not at all. It's just not what I expected. It's quite lovely.
Please, have a seat.
Where is it?
Right here.
Oh.
I think you'll be quite pleased with the green tea I've selected for us today.
Ooh, does it actually turn us green? Is it really envious of the other teas? What's it do?
Well, it tastes delicious.
Oh, okay.
What particularly nice weather we're having.
Yes, we are.
It did rain the other day, however.
Uh-huh.
But the weather today is particularly nice, as I previously mentioned. Would you care for some milk toast?
Discord, you don't seem to be yourself today. Are you feeling all right?
Whatever do you mean?
Well, it's just what you're wearing, and also what you're saying, and also the way you're saying it, and, pretty much everything else.
Oh, dear Fluttershy, worry not. I can assure you that for the first time, I'm feeling perfectly normal. Now, let me top you off. Oops, Butterfingers, how embarrassing.
What's going on?
I have no idea.
Discord, you're starting to fade away!
Oh, you don't say. Have you read any good books lately?